Hey, if you forgot your screen password on the Redmi Pad Pro, let me show you how you can fix this, how you can bypass this problem. So first of all, you will have to click and hold the power button to get the power off menu and simply turn off your Redmi Pad Pro. And now you will have to click and hold the power button and the volume up button. And when you got Redmi logo on the screen, you will have to release power button and only hold volume up. There we go. So only hold the volume up button until we enter for the recovery mode. Now you will have to scroll with the volume buttons, so go for the wipe data, click on the power button. Now click on the wipe all data and click on the power button. And now all you have to do is just to select confirm, click on this power button, and now you will remove all data from your tablet, like just everything, including photos, videos, but also you will remove your screen lock. And this is the only way to actually do this. So yeah, you will have to click confirm with the power button and it will be finished. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.